front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, tap on a note icon at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent, and to adjust all available wallpaper settings, click on this gear at the top left corner. Then you can not only pick one of those presets, but also adjust all of its options. Obviously, not all of them are free, but many of them are. So you'll be able to find wallpaper you like and then customize it. I will go with this one. Now click at the top right corner, check it out, and when you're sure, tap at the bottom right one. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Tap on Yes. Choose Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wanna apply it by tapping on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back to check it out. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!